Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to change the computer name on an Amazon Linux EC2 virtual machine. So the first step we have to do is to edit the /etc/hostname using a text editor like Vim or Nano or Emacs, as you prefer, as you like. So the first step, sudo I will use the command sudo vim /etc/host name. Enter. And now I want to delete the old name of my server, and I will use our setup the new name. I will answer, for example, my minus VM. It's the new name of my VM. Save, quit. Okay, it's the first step. The second step I would like to do is to edit. It's éditer, c'est en français, in French, éditer. So it's edit the /etc/host file. So I would use the same command. The aim here to modify, to edit this file /etc/host is to modify all the alias. So sudo vim /etc/host. And now I will delete on the first line the old alias, and I would like to use the new computer name, my VM, and on the second line also my underscore VM. The first line it's for IPv4 127.0.00.1, and the second line is to configure the IP for IPv6 2.2.1. So I'd like to save this file and quit, exclamation mark. So the last step here is to reboot the server. It's important to change take effect. So I would like use the command sudo reboot. I lost the connection, normal. So I would like pause this video now. And now my computer has been restarted. So I would like to verify, as you can see here, the new name of my server. And if I type the command host name to see the server name, the new server name, hope we'll see the new server name, my minus VM. So here we can see the new server name. If I type the command cat /etc/hosts/host name, we can see the new name of the server. The same if I use the command cat /etc/hosts, I can see the alias has been also modified. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.